Hello, dear students. In this class, I teach you the second type of loop statement, that is do while. Till today, I taught you all conditional statements as well as I taught you while loop. We looked at many examples on while also. Now, just I revise for you for 1 or 2 minutes. While was one of the entry control loop. While was one of the entry control. That means while will check the condition first. If that is true, the repetitive process starts. Second time also true means that repeats. That is what we studied while. While was entry control. As you know already, do while is exit controlled loop or post test loop. While was entry controlled, while was pre-test. But do while is exit controlled or post test loop. Means first look at the syntax or example so that you can understand. I show you the example directly. See this example. Here you can see the first example. This is a simple C program to display the hello world message 10 times on monitor. See here, do has been used, here while has been used. Here the do while started, here the do while completed. Afterwards the condition will come here. That means here I is one of the variable. This variable is having the value 1. Do while starts here. There is no condition at all. At least once this body works, hello world will be printed. I becomes 2. 2 less than equals to 10. Yes, once again hello world will be printed. 3. 3 less than equals to 10. Yes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means once again the hello world will be printed for how many times? 10 times. But what is the difference between while and do while? This is a post test. At least once this body works compulsory. Now look at this example. This example we see afterwards. I hope you understood. Okay. Now I will come to the syntax part. Syntax means as you know already how that do while works. Okay. That is what the rule followed by the programmer to make the use of it. That is what we call do while syntax. Do is must. Here the do while started. Here the do while completes. While keyword. In the bracket we give condition depending on the problem to be solved. Afterwards we give semicolon here. That means at least this true block works compulsory. Afterwards the condition will be checked. If it is true, it continues. If it is false, there is no continue at all. This is what the do while. Look at the explanation. How to explain about the do while in examination. As many points you know about the do while, write all the points so that you can get good marks. First point all about the do while is that do while is one of the exit controlled or post test loop. It also repeats the given block of statements repeatedly if the given condition is true till the condition becomes false. This is what the explanation for the while also. This is what the explanation for the do while also. But the difference between while and do while here I have written. If the given condition is false for the first time, if the given condition is false for the first time, then the body of do while works at least once compulsory, whereas the body of while will not work. This is very important. If the condition is false for the first time, if the condition is false for the first time, while will not work at all, but the do while works at least once compulsory. This is what the major difference between while and do while. This is what the major difference between while and do while. See one more example. You will understand this difference so easily. You can understand the difference between while and do while by looking at this example. See the condition. What is the value of I here? 1. Very good. 1 is greater than or equals to 10? No. 1 is not greater than or equals to 10. Condition is false. Condition is false means while will not work. While will not work at all. While will not work. But see here, I equals to 1, no problem. Do while started, no problem. No problem. Hello world printed once, no problem. I has become 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Yes, no problem. 2 greater than equals to 10? No. 2 is greater than equals to 10? No. means do while will not continue. What happened here? Even though the condition is false for the first time, at least once it is working. But it is not working. What is the output of this code? No output at all. What is the output of this code? At least once works compulsory. By looking at this example, clearly we can give the answer like this. The major difference between while and do while is that if the given condition is false for the first time, while will not work. If the condition is false for the first time, do while works at least once compulsory. This is what the major difference between while and do while. I hope you understood. Okay. Now look at my notes. In my notes I have written the do while. It is exit control loop statement available in C language. It helps us, means programmers, to repeat certain block of statements repeatedly till the given condition becomes false. If it is true, it repeats, otherwise no. Whenever the given condition becomes false, the repetitive process stops. The major difference between while and do while is that if the condition is false for the first time, the body of the do while works at least once compulsory, whereas the body of the while will not work at all. The do while is also called as post test or exit control loop or event control loop. The syntax is as follows. Flowchart is like this. Means the do while works at least once. Entry do started. At least once works compulsory. If it is true, it repeats. If it is false, no repeat at all. True, repeats. True, repeats. False, no repetition. In examination, write the syntax, draw a flowchart, give the explanation, write the heading, appropriate question number. If you do so now, evaluator will be more happier with your representation. Evaluator gives you very good marks for you out of what you want to get. Don't forget to give the examples also. See this example. This example is very simple. Just we are reading n. Enter the value of n. Assume that I entered 17. 17 will be stored in n. First time I will be 1. 1 will be printed. 1 becomes 2. 2 less than equals to 100. Yes, 3, 4, 5. See the output. Enter the value of n 100. 1 to 100 numbers are displayed. This problem already was solved by using while also. The problems whichever I explained to you on while, all problems can be solved by using do while. You are the programmer. You only decide to solve this problem which one is suitable. If you are developing such softwares, you want to allow the end users at least once compulsory, then go for do while. No sir, I check the condition, then only I allow. Then go for do while. Okay, I hope you understood. This is what the simple example for do while. And see this one. This is what the program to print the hello world message for 10 times. 1 first time, hello world, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this, hello world will be printed for how many times? 10 times. And instead of hello world, look at this code. Both the codes are same. Only one change I made. What is that? Here I have written hello world. Here I am printing the I. What is the output of this code? Can you guess? First time 1 will be printed. 1 becomes 2 will be printed. 3, 1 to 10 numbers I get. What is the output of this code? 1 to 10 numbers will be displayed. What is the output of this code? Hello world will be printed for 10 times. Like this, you can write many examples by your own. Just take interest and write the codes like this. You'll become a good programmer. That means software developer. Once you get a job, whenever you get a job, parents will be happier. First of all, you will be happier because you want to get the money as a salary. That money you can use for yourselves as well as you can give to the parents. Parents will be happier. That's why study for knowledge, gain the knowledge, then apply as and when needed. I want to get good marks. Okay. Take care. Have a nice day. If you have any doubts, please ask questions. Okay. And the same program whichever I have given in my notes, same program I explained here also. What is that? To display 1 to n numbers, I need two variables. One is I, one more is n. N we read. First time I store 1, then 1 to n numbers will be displayed. You can try all those programs whichever I explained by using while, by using do while also. In the next class, I explain you some more programs on do while. Till then, take care. Thank you. Have a nice day. Send the replies. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.